Hi, Tabisun Njoroge, a counseling psychologist. Welcome back to another video. And this particular video, we will be tackling matters of substance abuse. And more so, we are going to focus on the family. And when we look at family, many are the times that they go through an aspect of suffering, or rather, they go through a process. And many are the times that they are confused. They really don't know what is happening. So we are going to talk of them as codependents. And codependency is when the families are having an individual going through addiction, and they themselves tend to have behaviors and attributes that look like that of an addict, of an substance abuser. And this topic of addiction, or rather substance use disorder, because of the ignorance and the knowledge of ignorance because many people tend to be more ignorant, and there's more ignorance than knowledge, more prejudice than understanding, more secrecy than openness when it comes to alcoholism and codependency. Many people tend to go through a lot of suffering. And because this is not a topic that many people are open to share and openly talk about because of the stigma that comes with it, they tend to cover up. And I hope that this video is going to help families who are struggling with alcoholism, and they are going to look within themselves and they are going to find hope. They are going to realize that all is not lost. And I want to focus on typical reactions in codependency. And when we talk of codependency, this is an individual who behaves like a substance abuser. They're actually not abusing the substances, but their behaviors and their characteristics portray that of a person who is abusing the substances. So one of the key attributes of these families, there is denial. The family members tend to deny that their person, or they tend to deny that there is actually a problem within the family. Many of the times they will give statements that as like, we are okay, there is no problem. This is because they're trying to cover up. They're trying to act as if things are okay. And many of the times this happens very unconsciously. It could be something that they're not aware of. Number two typical reaction of a codependent or a codependent family is there is word battles. There's a lot of battles of words, and their reason, they plead, they threaten, they demand, they give a lot of lectures, and many of the times they find themselves trying to control the pattern of the alcoholic. They will do anything and everything that will make them ensure that the alcoholic does not maybe embarrass them or do something that will cause an alarm. There's also a lot of frustration when word battles come, and especially like there's a family gathering and your loved one does not show up. Word battles tend to move left, right, and center. Number three, there's also a lot of family disorganization, and the family tends to find themselves in a state of being disorganized. And it's not because they really want to, but the system has just been changed. Number four, there's a lot of reorganization. The roles that your loved one used to take, the family ends up taking them. And then number five, there's a lot of hidden tendencies, and the family hides behind ignorance, denial, shame, guilt, and they will do anything and everything to protect their loved one. Many of the times this continues to eat them up, and they really don't know how to go about it. And the final one is the scars There are many scars of codependency, and the family goes through a lot of scars. Pardon me, my baby is here with me, and in all this there's a lot of hope. So let's keep talking, because if we don't talk,